Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel so you can seamlessly import your accounting data, analyze reports, and create custom dashboards right inside Excel. Let's begin. But before we dive in, we need to understand why there is a need to connect Xero to Excel, okay? Because for one, it automatically pulls live financial data from Xero into your spreadsheet. You can create custom reports and visualizations beyond what's built into Xero. And of course, it saves you time by avoiding manual exports or CSV downloads. For us to be able to integrate Xero to Excel, all I have to do is hover to the top right corner. You can see beside your profile icon, there is like a dots icon here where it gives you all the apps and services that you can use to extend the Xero's capabilities, especially in connecting Microsoft Excel. I want you to click the Xero App Store and this will forward you to a new page. Now, if you see many options here and you are not sure, go to the search bar and type in Excel because this will give you so many results and options that you can choose from. You can choose from Flex Financial Reporting, Data Sites, Scott's add-ins, but our recommendation is to use SyncHub. We have been using this free app for so many times, and the good thing about it is that it offers a 14-day free trial. I want you to click the Get This app, and this will forward you to the connecting page. It's authorizing your accounts for both Xero and Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, once you have done that, all right, SyncHub will ask permissions to connect all these. All I have to do at this point is very simple. I want you to click the Allow Access for both platforms, and this will give you the perfect opportunity to connect them seamlessly. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. And of course, you need to select the organization. In my case, that's going to be the how-to tutorials. Click on select. And then next is going to be now it's loading your Xero data. You would notice that you have the ability to synchronize all of these: account, balance sheet, report, bank transaction, purchase order, tracking category, trial balance report, user, and a lot more. You have all of these capability for you. Now, you see, you can choose from the Power BI, Tableau. Of course, what we're going to choose is going to be the Excel. And as you may notice, you have all of these settings that you can edit or tweak depending on your preferences. You can use the standard base connector within Excel to connect using the credentials below. And if you are lost during the whole process, don't worry because there is an Excel walkthrough that you can follow. And all I have to do is click the next button and there you have it. Remember that connecting Xero to Excel is a powerful way to take your financial reporting to the next level. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.